I got 17 S&K Sockets at the flea market today. I love the S&Ks, they're made in USA. I started collecting these. I got a lot of them. I got 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, and I got 3/4 sets. I really like the SKs, they're made in USA. Right now I believe they're made in Colorado Springs. I think they used to be made in Illinois. They're better than Craftsman, I believe. They're both lifetime guaranteed though. That's a good deal, 20 bucks for all those. Or did I give 10? I gave 10. It was only 10. I wouldn't have gave 20. They're right there, 10 bucks. Where'd it go? I can't believe I tried to get them cheaper. I gave 10, that's all. And I got a 1,000-watt inverter for $15. 12 volt to 110 inverter. I did good there today. What else did I get? I got a steering wheel for 7 bucks. A custom steering wheel. It's supposed to have a quick release hub, but I don't think it works. I couldn't get it to release. I really like these SK tools. My first set of SKs was in high school, 1978. I used to like to spin the tires in my Datsun pickup. It was a 72 and a half, they called it. And I'd spin the tires, I tore up the rear end. My dad bought me a repair manual and my first set of SK sockets. A socket set, he said fix it yourself. Ever since then, I've always liked the S&K tools.